As usual, I start with the circle and then connect a kind of like curved hill to it on the side and then a tail shape up top. I then do a curved line in the middle of the figure, and this makes the distinction of its underside. And then in the middle section, I draw a fin coming out and I'll draw another fin below. I'm not really going for realism here, but more of a mashup in between where it's pretty cartoony, but not overly so. I then lighten up my sketch just by rolling a kneaded eraser over top, and then I ink everything in with my fine liners. And of course, you can find all my frequently used supplies in the description. After lining it all up, I take out my alcohol markers and I colored the top of the whale with 2 shades of a gray-blue color. For the underside of the whale, I use a more neutral gray color that's lighter, as the undersides of whales tend to be lighter in color. I then use my white Posca Paint Pen for highlights, and in the end I decided to add some water droplets above its head as a last-minute decision that I thought would look cute. So let me know what tutorial you'd like to see next, and I may add it to a future poll.